Alright, so let's get started. So first section that I categorize is the M shape, okay? The M shape, as the name suggests, is just a, M. So basically, when you draw things, you just M, okay? So for example, if you draw a certain fabric like this, it's just a series of M. How to do that? You just add one line here, okay? That really depends on what kind of M that you're aiming for. So for example, is M like this, okay? I'm going to just start with the normal M, okay? So you got this, and then you just need to add, just connecting what's in between, adding what's behind, because we're using the shadow part, okay? You add in here, right? You add it here, just add a little bit further here, add a little bit further here, right? You add a little bit here, you add a little bit here. So you add all this, and then you can sort of add a little bit of the depth in it. So basically it goes inside, and then adding shadow. So I'm going to just using this technique, just using this to quickly using lines to add shadows. It's like a really quick way of doing it without using any of the color, just using lines, okay? So it adds some sort of depth to it, okay? This is the first step. The second step is adding the edges at the top area here, okay? What I'm going to do is to add the top area, so it can get this wavy shape, okay? You can just using this and make it here, right? So you can use this, find the top, got it here, just to fold it over here, okay? You just add a little bit to the top here, and then connecting area here, and at the top of here, right? And then wave it a little bit down here. So you can see that it sort of go this way, right? Go this way, and using I'm using dotted line here. Go up and then go down, then just go up and go down, and just go up and go down, and go up and go down, something like this. So become really wavy, like down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay. So what we are actually doing here is to first using shadows to got the depth area, what's beneath it, what's underneath all this area. We add this shadow, so we create a false sense of depth inside, okay? And then we're using lines to get the outline, outline. So this way we can get a M-shaped wavy form, okay? That's kind of the fabric, folks, okay? And what you can do is you can make it like really small, it just become wrinkle, right? That's just like one way of doing that. Adding shadow and then adding the outline, right?